This is the Borofone BT V5.1 mini portable USB adapter. It is mainly used when the computer does not have Bluetooth. Let's see how to install this Bluetooth adapter on Windows 10. First, plug the adapter into the USB port of the PC. Now go to your PC. The Bluetooth adapter is now installed on Windows 10, so Bluetooth is visible on the PC. If the Bluetooth adapter does not work even after plugging it into the USB port of the PC, then go to the second method. From here, remove the Bluetooth adapter. Plug the Bluetooth adapter into the 2.0 USB port of the PC. After plugging the Bluetooth adapter into the 2.0 USB port of the PC, Bluetooth will be visible on the PC.